Video 1 Introduction to Base 10 Blocks. Hello and welcome to C3 Stream. Today we are going to talk about base 10 blocks. Zoltan Pal Dienes is the guy who invented these blocks. He was a Hungarian mathematician who believed that if we teach a subject like maths through games, play and dance, chances that children will retain the information are greater than that of learning by traditional way using textbooks and lectures. He also created a 6-stage theory to learn mathematics. He was a tireless practitioner of new mathematics and psychomathematics. Psychomathematics is a branch of mathematics which talks and learns about psychology of mathematics learning. That's why he came up with the idea of base 10 blocks, also known as Dienes blocks, which help children understand numerical concepts in mathematics like place value, number operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, decimals, square of a number, or algebraic concepts like how to multiply two linear terms and how to find factors for algebraic expressions. He also invented logic blocks, which help children in understanding sets, differences, logical sequence, and classification. Sounds like a lot of work. Let's start with Dienes blocks. Base 10 or Dienes blocks has 4 basic elements. A small cube called a block. This is the smallest and the very basic tool in base 10 blocks. If we decide that one block is equal to 1 unit, then we can count using these blocks. Then the value of 2 blocks will be 2, 5 blocks will be 5, and so on. If we make a tower of 10 blocks, it looks something similar to a rod, which looks like this, which basically means one rod is a collection or group of 10 blocks. So the value of one rod is 10 units. This makes things easy. If we want to make 2-digit numbers like 25 or 63, instead of counting 25 1-unit blocks, we can simply imagine number 25 as a set of 2 tens and 5 ones, and a number 63 as a set of 6 tens and 3 ones. This makes number formation for 2-digit numbers faster and precise. As we all know, numbers don't end at 99, they keep on going. So what if we want to form a 3 or 4-digit number? For that, we use the same method of grouping. We made a group of 10 blocks to form one rod. We made a group of 10 blocks to form one rod. We can group 10 rods to form a flat. A flat, which is the third component in the Dienes blocks, is made up of 10 rods or 100 blocks. So the value of one flat is 100 units. Similarly, we can group 10 flats to make one cube, which means the value of one cube is 10 times the value of flat, or 100 times the value of a rod, or 1000 times the value of a block. So, one cube is 1000 units. Using Dienes blocks, we can form any number between 1 to 9999. Some of the examples can be 9, 78, 256. Check out our next video to see what more we can do with base 10 blocks. Till then, happy exploring!